Hi friends, very good morning. I hope all you are doing really well. Guys, today we will discuss about the cloud computing or cloud services. This is the new sessions we had begin in terms of the cloud platform. This topic is very interesting and latest in the market. So today we will discuss only about the basic things like what is cloud computing, what is cloud services, what are the most popular cloud service providers, etc. So guys, without time wasting, let's start the session. If interviewer has asked to you what is cloud services and why this is required, so the best answer for the same is any services which are available over the internet by some brand companies in the form of servers, storage, infrastructure, software, database, intelligence, networking like firewalls, DLP, etc. As we know, today population is increasing day by day, and due to this, space is the main problem to manage the data centers, business continuity management, and disaster recovery. That's why we generally require the cloud services. So guys, overall cloud providers are such companies who allow to store the customers' data in their own data centers, and they charge for this. To overcome this problem, major companies has initiated the concept of virtual services called as cloud. They had hosted everything over the internet, and customers which takes the services as per their requirement from the cloud companies. So guys, all our cloud services are those companies who allows to store the customer data in their own environment, because every organization doesn't have enough space to implement their data center, BCP or DR. So that's why in today's time most of the organizations prefer the cloud services. Okay, next is, can you name top 10 cloud service providers? Yes, very important questions. Actually, interviewer has asked such questions to check your such kind of, a global knowledge, that how much deep you have information about the web services. So most popular is AWS, short form is Amazon Web Services. Second is Microsoft Azure. Third is GCP, which is Google Web Services. Next is Alibaba. Next is IBM Cloud. Next is Oracle Cloud Infrastructures, Tencent Cloud, Ocean Cloud, Upload Cloud, and Akamalai Cloud. But guys, only top four or top five are the most recommended one, which is AWS, Azure, GCP, Alibaba, and IBM. Okay. The next question is, why cloud name is given for these services and what are the locations for these cloud companies? So guys, actually cloud name has taken from the word sky, which means a kind of universal and open for all, right? Because sky is open and a kind of universal for all. So in a similar way, cloud services are also a kind of we can say open for all, and these are the universal. So, so if we talk about the AWS guys, what are the locations? So more than 100 data centers available for AWS globally, and the headquarter based at Washington, and the parent organization of AWS is Amazon. Next is Microsoft Azure. So more than 300 data centers are globally available for Azure, and headquarter in Washington, and the parent organization is Microsoft Corporation. Next is GCP, which is Google Cloud Platform. So having 150 plus including development data centers, headquartered in Georgia, US, and parent organization is Alphabet. So guys, we can see that Google, as we know that Google has a large infrastructure in all the fields, and we completely 100% depend on the Google. However, if we talk about the number of data centers available for GCP is low, but they are trying to increase their data centers, which is under development. So 150 is under a development phase. However, they are also preparing to implement more data center across the world. And the parent organization of Alphabet, GCP, is Alphabet, which is Google Services. So guys, this is the first session, which is about the basic one. Stay tuned, we will discuss more interesting and interview questions in the next session, guys, right, which includes that what is the cost effective differences between these particular web services, right, and what are the caring points if we talk about from the organization's point of view, how to choose the cloud services. So apart from this, many more interview questions we will discuss in the next scenario. So thank you so much. Kindly subscribe with the bell icon and don't forget to share my channel. Okay guys, thank you.